and bring it here. Now see, this is known as a medulla oblongata, right? Huh? This is the bridge between brain and the spine. All message from the spine goes to the brain, bring the message from the back from the brain to the spine. How many of you have gone to school and 8, 9 standard padhe ho? Gone to school 8, 9, right? 8, 9 we have learned na sympathetic and parasympathetic nerve, right? So this nerve should be active, हाँ? तो ये करके यहाँ पे लगा दो, यहाँ पे, and then press and relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now this exercise you feel bit sleepy, right? Because your body has charge. And after this, you can keep your thumb and massage. And when you come in the center, press upward. Now when you come in the center and press upward, when you massage here and come in the center and press upward, this is the point which improves blood to the brain. Blood to the brain. And friends, this is a very good exercise for a person who is suffering from Parkinson's. Massage this and press when you come in the center, upside, up. It's a very good exercise for brain and to get a good sleep. Now see, all your is stressed, this is the platform for them to stay. Okay? First impression that your neck becomes stiff, you cannot move freely, you get pain, you cannot stretch. So stiff neck. So this is a very good exercise to make this part relieved. Okay? Right? So medulla massage is a must every day. This you can do morning when you get up, evening when you go to bed, and in the afternoon after your lunch break. If you are working in any office, after lunch you feel it fatigue, थोड़ा आलस आता है, थोड़ा कंटाला आता है, ऐसे होता है कि जरा एक दो कंप्यूटर में गेम खेल लो या सो जाओ. That time the massage will help you. And if you make this practice in your group or in your area, you can achieve at least a 40 to 45% efficiency extra. Now see, when we go to sleep, our brain waves, they slow down. Right? Brain waves slow down. And that is the time that our thinking pattern is also a little bit slow. And that is the time if you give any new thought, brain will accept fast. Because kachra kam aata hai brain mein. Now see, you all are sitting here, right? But you don't accept all my words. Your brain is thinking something else. Topic mein kya hoga? Mayor ne kya bola? ठीक है, नगर सेवक ने क्या किया? And all these junk of all thoughts are in your brain, so that our brain capacity process is 2000 words per minute. But we cannot process more than 200 words because as soon as there is a vacuum, other thought comes and sit on the head. Okay? So to control that, medulla massage is a must, and pranayam. You can do. But now see, the technique is this. Pranayam ka technique is now see. Inhale. Right. And the other region is Radhe Krishna. Radhe Krishna. Now, you know the benefit of this Radhe Krishna? Radha is a symbol of love. And Krishna is a symbol of pardon. जो क्षमा और प्रेम होते हैं, तो हमें और क्या चाहिए? A slow sleep phase follows around after 20 minutes after we sleep. So first 20 minutes are the pre-preparation of going to a sleep. So after these 20 minutes, the real sleeping phase starts. When we start, our brain starts relaxing, and that is the right time to send the message, the right time to convey the medicine, the right time to make the patient aware about. आप लोग ने महाभारत का एक एपिसोड सुना है? Where Krishna taught Abhimanyu, the knowledge was given to Abhimanyu. So this was the time when the knowledge was passed. Chakravyuh. So if you want to give any knowledge, then give during this time. Okay? And I tell you honestly, but that particular moment. Now if you give this information, your son or daughter need not go to college. You can teach everything within this particular time, and the knowledge will be superb, will go straight to the brain. So once you make the opportunity, gone. That's the reason that your pattern, you decide the pattern, prepare the affirmation, and take the maximum advantage of this technique. Okay? So remove all unnecessary tension. Now by this we understood the different problem with insomnia and how it goes and what are the pros and cons, right? Now we'll understand the remedies. What are the different techniques available today to overcome this? Number one is natural solutions. What are natural solutions? Right? Number one is herbal medicine. Herbal. What are the herbs can improve your sleep? Okay, herbal medicine. Now second is aromatherapy. And all details we are going to discuss. Okay? Aromatherapy, herbal medicine, homeopathy, then Bach flower, Dr. Bach flower. Now Bach flower therapy is worth learning. There are 30 remedies in that group, and they work wonder on psychosomatic disease. Dr. Bach, BACH, Bach. कल एक पेशेंट आया मेरे पास, बीएमसी का है, नायक. He is very much disturbed, and his sleep is not proper. He got lot of worry, lot of problem. His life is disturbed. His sex life is disturbed. And he studies Bach flower. He came with the book and seen my name on internet by mistake. So he had come. And he has fear in his subconscious mind. So again only mimulus, and he is happy. Okay, now next is simple exercise. Now preventing problem and curing the problem. Then we will learn how to straighten our body. Then we will learn massage and manipulation. Then after that we will learn promote and well-being. Then healthy eating. Because eating contribute lot of things for sleep. ठीक है? रात को पिज्जा खाओगे सोगे तो आपको स्लीप नहीं आने वाला है. तो रात को पिज्जा नहीं खाना. हाँ, पिज्जा आपके फ्रेंड को खिलाना. डोंट टेक ईट पिज्जा. नहीं शादी के बाद हाँ नहीं but there are 3 issues. शादी के बाद यानी right. And now see any reception, you know why? See, आप रिसेप्शन में गए ना, तो you give some gift or cover. इसको हमारे दिमाग में वसूली होता है. ठीक है, हाँ वसूल करना है ना. घर में 2 गुलाब जामुन ऊपर, वहां पे कवर दिया तो 6 खाना ही पड़ेगा ना. ठीक है, और खाने के बाद हम थैंक यू तो बोलने वाले लीवर को. ओ आइसक्रीम तो खाना ही चाहिए ना. चले आगे. हाँ वसूली कर. चले आगे. Now eating contributes lot of things. So I would like to give you some more time about eating. What to eat, how to chew it, so that you can improve your digestion power. See, instead of taking medicine for digestion, it's better that you change your eating habits. Now before I proceed, my most honorable friend sitting here, your dinner should not accompany TV. And no cell phone. No cell phone near you. No phone near you. Okay? And whenever you eat, enjoy your food. One bite you put in your mouth, you should chew it at 40 times. Okay? No fast food.
After finishing the food, it does perfectly.
नहीं अभी वो तो एक difficult in Mumbai. ठीक है? Then what are the practical tips for a daily life? How we improve our daily life so we improve our sleep pattern. This we will be learning in detail. Then we have another thing. what is psychological reaction for sleep. Now him, if your sleep is not enough, then your sharpness of your intellectually is also affected. Your decision power get affected. Then you become more irritated. Okay? And sometimes this break the family life. Okay? So here we'll give more weightage on psychological issues. Then we'll learn peace with self and regain energy. How to bring